Hey. Today, I'm going to show you how to turn any link into a scroll-stopping video using RenderLion's URL to video converter tool. Start by signing up or logging into your RenderLion account. Then hit the URL to video button right from the header menu. Super easy. Now, paste your URL into the input field below. You can use a news article, blog post, product page, whatever you've got. Once you've added your link, click Generate, and let RenderLion AI take over. It will scan the page, detect the type of content, and in under a minute, generate a voiceover script, slide text content, visual layout, and animation. And just like that, voila! You've got 3 animated video previews created from your link. Now it's time to personalize your video. If you've already created a brand kit, click the Style button to apply it. This will keep your video on brand, matching your logo, avatar, fonts, brand name, colors, and even your website style. If you haven't set one up yet, no worries. Just leave it on random, and RenderLion's AI will craft a great look for you. Next, let's talk music. Click the Sound button to select your background track. You can choose a genre, or keep it random, and let the AI pick the perfect vibe for your content. Now, click the Edit Content button to fine-tune your video. Here you can upload or update photos, rearrange the image order, remove image backgrounds if you want a cleaner, more focused look. That's especially great for product or blog-based visuals. You can also change the voiceover style, male or female, edit the text-to-speech script, customize each slide's text for better clarity or tone. Once you're happy with your changes, just hit the Update button, and boom! Your preview examples will refresh instantly with your new edits. And here's something really cool. Every video created with the URL to video converter is automatically generated in 3 formats: square, portrait, and landscape. You can easily switch the preview format, just like I did in this example. This guarantees your video is ready for use on any platform, from TikTok to Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and beyond. Now let's unlock the true power of RenderLion's URL to video converter tool. Click the New Instant Hunt button, and in less than a second, a brand new set of 3 animated video previews will be created. No matter if your link came from a blog post, news article, or an online product page, RenderLion will automatically reformat it into engaging short-form animated content. Just hover over any preview to watch the animation play. If one grabs your attention, click Save to add it to your My Videos section for later use. Keep clicking New Instant Hunt. With each round, RenderLion AI refreshes your visuals with new layouts, styles, motion effects, and transitions, offering thousands of unique video combinations to explore. It's like a creative slot machine that keeps serving fresh looks instantly. Once you see an example that works for your content, just click on it, and you're on to the next step. Once you've picked a preview, remember, you can always edit it or even use it as a template for future videos using the RenderLion editor. In this part of the demo, I clicked the Render to Download button to transform the preview into a high-resolution video. Ready to share. I also switched between square, portrait, and landscape formats, rendering each one by simply clicking Render to Download again. This ensures you've got versions tailored for every platform and use case, from Instagram and TikTok to LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, and more. The rendering process might take a few minutes depending on video length, animation complexity, and server load. But once it's done, bam! Your video is fully rendered, downloadable, and ready to go, complete with music and voiceover to maximize views, traffic, and conversions. Bonus: RenderLion also gives you a set of thumbnail images for every video size you render. These are perfect for using in your social media posts, emails, websites, or anywhere else you want to grab attention with a visual teaser. And that's the magic of RenderLion's URL to video converter. Now it's your turn to bring your links to life, turning them into short, scroll-stopping videos in just a few clicks. Head over to the RenderLion URL to video converter, paste your link, click Generate, and let the magic begin. It works with blog posts, news articles, product pages, any URL with meaning. It's lightning fast. And best of all, it's free to use. Don't let your favorite content fade away in static pages. Make it roar with RenderLion today. Try it now at RenderLion.com.